Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to use Steam on mobile. First, we need to go to the App Store and download Steam. So go ahead and download Steam. And if you need to chat and interact with your friends, download Steam Chat. There. Now open Steam and log into your account. Then you can pick a game and buy it here, just like on Steam for PC. Here we have notifications and Steam Guard you can set up. There. Next. Here we have the community. Yeah, you can use the marketplace right on your phone. You can jump into discussions, community hubs for specific games, all from your phone. Just type in the game here. There, and search for what you're interested in. There, and here you can check out your game library. Right now it's not working, probably because there's some maintenance on the server. There you go. You can also contact support right from your phone, which is handy, and edit your profile. To do this, tap on Profile at the top right. Yes, you can add friends, just like that. You can also view all your friends, groups, screenshots, and of course log out, switch accounts, view your profile, and edit it directly. There you go, that's all for now. So I've shown you the basic features of the Steam mobile app. This has been VSim. See you later.